Hey, what's up guys, Shubham here, and before we start I want to apologize because my voice is not well. That's why I can't speak well, so please bear with me guys. Anyways, let's get to the work, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to root SONY XPERIA E4G dual, and the model name is e2043, and the device is in my hand. So I'm currently recording my voice in this device because the camera is so far and I don't have any other microphone. That's why I'm recording my audio in this device. So I have this device since May 2015 I guess, and I was trying to root this device for so long but I couldn't do that. So after so long I was successfully able to root my SONY XPERIA E4G, and if you also want to root your SONY XPERIA E4G, you're at the right place. Also, the method which I'm going to show you may work with other devices as well, so you can try with other device, but do it at your own risk. I'm not responsible of your device getting bricked. Anyways, let's get started and see how to root this device. Okay guys, so here is the website. Link for this website is in the description of this video, so you can click on that link and you will be directed here. And on this website you will see all the risk involved in doing this process, all the avoiding of your warranty information. So you can read whatever you want to read over here. You can even ask the questions to the Sony company about your device and whatever you can do with it. But after you go to this website, you will see choose your smartphone option over here. So you have to choose the smartphone option. For example, in my case I have the SONY XPERIA E4G dual, so I'm going to select the dual one. And as you can see guys, it says first of all we have to unlock the bootloader, and to check whether our device supports unlocking bootloader or not, we have to type a code in the dialer. So the code is this one. It says *#*7378423 #*, and it will open a setting option, and just tap on the service information, then configuration, and here you will see a rooting status. And if it says bootloader unlocked allowed yes, then your phone can easily get rooted. So let's proceed to the next step. Just click on continue now, and you have to type an email to the website, agree to the terms and conditions, and then submit your email address, and they will again send you an email. And here you will see links to the website where you can go ahead and type the IMEI number, and to get the IMEI number you have to again type a code in your dialer, and the code is *#06#, and then you will see IMEI number. So type the IMEI number 1. After you type the IMEI number, again accept the terms and condition, and then scroll down and then submit the form. So after you submit the form, as you can see, there is a fully brief information about how to unlock the bootloader on this device. So just read each and every steps and starts doing it. So first of all, we also have to download the Android Studio. So just again download it. It's a 1 GB of file, Android Studio, and you also have to download the fast boot driver for your computer. So again download this as well. So after you download both the things, the Android Studio and the fast boot driver as well, just install the Android Studio and open the Android Studio, and there you will see on the top there is a tool button. So just click on the tool button, and over there you will see Android option over here, and inside the Android option you will see the SDK manager. So just open the SDK manager by clicking on it, and in here you have to go to the SDK tools, and inside the SDK tools you have to select the Google USB driver. So just click on this to install it. Here I am also selecting a Google web driver, but you don't need to do this. So just select the Google USB driver only. You don't need to install the Google web driver, but I am doing it anyway. After that, just click on apply and click OK, and it will ask you for the terms and condition to accept. Just click on next, and it will start downloading the Google USB driver. So just wait till it gets downloaded, and don't take it wrong, I just fast forwarded the video because the downloading of the Google USB driver was taking so long, so I just fast forwarded it. But downloading depends on your internet connection, so hopefully your internet connection is fine so that you can easily download the Google USB drivers. Now the downloading of the USB drivers are finished, so just click on the finish button, and then you can click on OK over here, and you can close the Android Studio right now. After you close the Android Studio, just go to the system disk, which is local disk C in this case, and inside the local disk C you have to go to the users folder, then your computer names folder, and over there you have to go to app data folder, and inside the app data folder just click on the local folder, and here you will see a Android folder, and inside the Android folder you will see SDK folder, and inside the SDK you will see extras, and inside the extras you will find a Google folder, and here we have the USB drivers. So what you have to do is you have to replace these USB drivers from the fast boot drivers which we have downloaded. So just copy paste the fast boot drivers over here. This is the fast boot driver, so I'm gonna right click and copy it from here, and I'm gonna paste the fast boot driver over here, and we have to click on copy and replace to replace the original driver to the fast boot driver. Now this process is done. Next we have to enable the USB debugging option in our Android smartphone, and to do this you don't need to plug in the USB cable. So anyways, I'm doing it, but you don't need to do that. So to do that you have to go to the settings, and in the setting you will see a developer option, and if you can't find the developer option, just go to the about phone and tap on the build number 7 times, and then go back and you will see a developer option. Just tap on the developer option and make sure developer option is switched on, and inside the developer option you will see a USB debugging, so check the USB debugging. After you check the USB debugging, just shut down your device and then press the volume up button. At the same time you have to plug the USB cable in, and make sure you press the volume up button and insert the USB cable at the same time, and don't leave the volume up button till you see the display glows up, and after the display glows you can remove your finger from the volume up button. Now in PC you have to open device manager, and inside the device manager you will see other devices option, and inside the other devices option you will see a fast boot driver. So just right click on the fast boot driver and click on the update driver software, and here you have to choose the browse file. You have to select the destination folder, so which is there in the local disk C, and inside the local disk C you have to go to the users folder, select your computer names folder, go to the app data folder, and then go to local folder, and you will see the Android, and then SDK and extras, and then Google folder. Then you have to select the Google folder and click OK, and click on next, and it will start installing the USB driver. And Windows security may ask you about risk, and so you have to click on install this driver software anyway, and as you can see it says drivers is successfully updated. Now you can close it. So the next step is you have to open your local disk C again, and here you have to go to users again, then computer name folder, then app data, and then go to local, and then Android, and go to SDK, and here you will see a platform tools folder. So open the platform tools folder, and then on the top you have to select the destination URL and copy it from here. So after you copy this destination URL, just open the CMD by going to the start over here and type a CMD and run it as an administrator, and after you open it type cd and space and then paste that destination URL over here. After that just press enter, and then you have to go to this website and you have to copy this command from here and then paste it in here, and then you have to press enter, and then after you press enter then again go to that website and you have to copy the second command from here and then again paste it here and then press enter. Make sure to get the correct answer, and the answer is okay, finished. Total time is whatever the time taken, and that means the process is finished completely fine, and the bootloader in your device is now unlocked. Now the one part of the rooting is complete. Now we have to jump into the second part of the rooting process. Now the second part of this process is very simple. You just have to download an application in your computer called Kingo Root and just install it, and after the installation just close the installation wizard and it will open the application. After the application opens up, you have to connect your Android smartphone to your computer via USB cable. Also make sure the USB debugging is still enabled. After you connect it, it will start recognizing your device and it may ask you to grant some permissions, so just give all the permissions whatever it asks you in your Android smartphone, and it will start installing the drivers whatever it needs to install to root your Android smartphone. And after it completes everything, it will ask you to just click on the root button. So hopefully if everything goes well, your device will be rooted successfully. Now to check if your device is successfully rooted or not, you can go to the Play Store and download an application called Root Checker, and then open the Root Checker and just start checking if your device is rooted or not. And if it says your device is rooted, then congrats, you did a good job. Your device is now rooted. Thank you. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed the video, Please hit that like button, just hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Google+. Links for all this are in the description as always. That's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!